Friends, welcome to my channel Mana Lectures. Today we will discuss about 10th class mathematics of first chapter of 10th class mathematics, which is real numbers. First of all, we see the chapter name as real numbers. We have a doubt about what is real numbers. First and most thing, what is real numbers? To explain about what are real numbers, before that we need to understand about these two things, real and numbers. We know about numbers, there are numbers, and real numbers means it is one type of numbers system. In numbers there are different types of numbering systems. We study in the previous classes as a ninth class. We studied different types of numbering systems as well as in 10th class we study some more topics of numbering system. For that purpose we have numbering system real number as our first chapter. For that, to understand about what are real numbers, briefly we recall about the numbering systems what we have already learned in the previous sessions, in the previous classes. First of all, we all of them know about first one as natural numbers. We all know about natural numbers. As all of you know, natural numbers are represented by the symbol represented by the symbol of sorry by the symbol capital N. Capital N. Here, what are natural numbers? First of all, question: what are natural numbers? All the we know all the positive numbers, all the positive numbers are called natural numbers, shortly capital N, represented by capital numbers. Positive numbers are starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity. We all know about the positive numbers, and these as for natural numbers there is another numbering system also, which is whole numbers. Whole numbers are samely represented with is represented by or represented by capital W, and whole numbers is also a combination of natural numbers. Whole number is also a combination of natural numbers, means whole number also have all the positive numbers and also included with a number digit or digit which is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on infinity, which means whole numbers are the numbers starts from 0 and then next number is 1 and which is natural numbers. These are the natural numbers set, and this is the extra added digit is 0, which is whole numbers. And next one we learn this topic is integers. Integers are represented by the letter by the letter Z, represented by the letter capital Z. What are integers? Integers means both positive and negative numbers. Both positive and negative numbers are called integers, which are number of, these are number of, starts from minus infinity to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on past infinity. Here this is the natural numbers, and from this is the whole numbers, and the total numbers are the only single digit, which means not a decimal point numbers. All the single digit numbers means single, not mean single digit. All the whole numbers means all the digits numbers is called integers, whatever it may be, positive or negative, these are called integers. And we also have another system which is rational numbers, which are represented by the letter Q. Rational numbers are represented by the letter Q, and for these rational numbers there is a different type of analysis for identification or any means for understanding. Rational numbers are in the form of P by Q form. Here Q not equal to 0, always Q is not equal to 0, then rational, these are called, in this form of numbers is called rational numbers. And in these rational numbers there are different types also, like terminating, non-terminating, repeating, recursing. There are different types of things, and these all we know about this. Just we recall what are the types of numbers as we learn in the previous sessions, in the previous classes. And another system is irrational numbers. Which is represented by the Q dash or Q bar, which is also called not Q. These are the numbers, it is a these are the numbers not expressed in the form of P by Q. Not expressed in the P by Q forms are all irrational numbers. For example, √2, √5, and so on, root numbers, whatever root numbers, and some values also, some constant values like pi. These are all irrational numbers. Why these numbers are irrational? these numbers are non-terminating and non-recurring values. To know about this, what is the value of root 2? The value of root 2 is 1.41421356 and so on. It will continue. This is non-terminating, and pi equal to pi value is also non-terminating value, which is 3.14159 and so on. This is also non-terminating. Here we learn 5 types of numbering. We discuss 5 types of numbering systems. Finally, the real numbers. What are real numbers? Real numbers means these all type of number system combined in one system, that is called real numbers. For example, to discuss about it, let us take a small diagram. Here, first of all, we take natural numbers, which is represented by capital N, and then which is included with 0, which is whole numbers, and then both positive and negative integers, both positive and negative numbers are called integers, and then these integers are in the form of p by q forms. These are called rational numbers. This is one type of set, and then another system is irrational numbers, which is represented by q dash. This is one set of numbers. By the combining of these two sets of numbers, we call it as real numbers. This is the definition of real numbers. Set of both rational and irrational numbers is called real numbers. Here there are different types of number systems we discuss today. There is a terminating system, terminating values numbers, and non-recurring, recurring, non-terminating, terminating, and different types of numbers are presented in numbering system. So we will discuss those systems and the exercise sums and some of the example sums in the next class. Thanks for watching this video. We will discuss more topics in next class. Please subscribe to my channel Mana Lectures.